Good Erev Shabbos, everyone. This week is Parshas Nasso. I first heard this idea from Rabbi Joel Cohn from Yerushalayim, and later from Rabbi Shalom Rosner. This week, Parshas Nasso, we read about the princes of each tribe donating gifts to the dedication of the Mishkan, the tabernacle in the wilderness. Each tribe was assigned their own day. And when we read through the parsha, we notice that each tribe gave the same gift every day. Imagine for a second, you moved into a new home, you invited your friends, and everybody brought you a housewarming gift. And you noticed everybody brought the same gift. Well, that wouldn't be very helpful. That seems to be the case over here. However, the Chavetz Chaim points out that Nasso ben Suar from Shevet Yisachar, who was designated to give the gifts on the second day, is really the hero of the story of the Nesiim. On the first day, Nasso ben Aminadab brings the gifts. And everybody's looking, what are they bringing? And Nasso ben Suar, instead of saying, hey, how do I do one better? How do I make my gift even greater than the one that was given by Nasso ben Aminadab from Yehuda? He gets the tribes together and say, let's all agree to all bring the exact same gift. The Chavetz Chaim says that's the idea of Avos Yisrael, that no one should feel left out. And when it comes to serving Hashem, we all have an equal opportunity to be close to Hashem. In Nusach Harizal, in the Siddur at the beginning of davening, there's a Hareini Muchan. It says, I take upon myself, Hareini Mikabel Alai, that's what it is. I take upon myself all the positive mitzvahs of the Torah, mitzvah aseh, v'hafta l'recha kamocha, to love my fellow Jew. Why do we say that before, at the beginning of one's davening? Davening takes the place of a korban. If an offering has a blemish, it is invalid and is not accepted. So too, when we daven, we are offering our prayers, and if there's a blemish, if we are not getting along with someone else, our offerings will not be accepted. So the Mishkan, which is the center of our avoda and where we connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Nasso ben Suar teaches us the importance of Avat Yisrael, of loving one Jew, to feeling as a whole in one community. Shabbat Shalom. I hope you enjoy this Dvar Torah.